What's up, y'all? So today, obviously it's a new day. Weird way to start the video. I'm usually walking to the garage, but right now I'm heading to JB's house. But right now I'm heading over to JBtuned to pick up a 525 or 535 Hellcat fuel pump for the build. So that's cool. Let's address my last video. So my last video was the Todd replica blow-off valve versus the PTE blow-off valve. And I realized, I don't know when this happened, but I have a bunch of fucking brain dead idiots that seem how to always comment on. I don't understand people. Like, I truly, help me! I don't like to read comments on my videos because the people, I don't know if they're fans or support, I don't know, but I get, it makes, what did I do wrong to have my comment section filled with a bunch of people that have no idea what they're talking about? They don't watch it, like it. I just don't understand why I have the comment fan base that I have. It doesn't make no sense to me, bro. Like, if you go read the comments on the video, you'll see exactly where I'm coming from. The people are just fucking dumb. Like, it just makes no sense. Like, and I know, Zosh, you can't be saying that, bro. You're gonna offend your followers or your subscribers. No, I'm not. Because the ones that I'm talking to about this are the ones that are gonna be talking crap all in the comments. I'm not talking about the ones that actually know what the hell they're talking about and comment. Like, it's just, I don't know. I don't like reading my comments, which is stupid because, like, I create content so I can get feedback. And then the feedback I do get is a bunch of brain dead idiots talking about, oh, well, if you throw a 3-inch exhaust on the car, it will, like, bro. I don't think people understand the parts that are on my car for a reason. I don't think people understand what mid-range power is. I don't understand it. Help me! Just now leaving JB's, got my 535 fuel pump because the 535 doesn't have a check valve. That's the part number right there. This is legit. This is legit. So yeah, now I have a bigger fuel pump. So when I get home, I'll start the process of tearing apart the car's fuel system. Essentially, replacing the fuel injectors and the fuel pump. So, yeah, buddy. But I think I want a milkshake. Yeah, I'm gonna go buy me a milkshake. Oh, milkshake sound good. Facts. Facts. Okay, so back at the crib, it is now time to do the fuel system upgrade to the Integra. So what we're going to be doing is replacing these AUS 1000cc injectors for Alpha Injections 2250s, and we also have the Walbro 535 fuel pump that we received from JBtuned that we're also going to be installing into the car. The problem with this, well, not the problem, but the jungle gym I have back here, it's going to be kind of an issue. Like getting in there with all the X bars, and it's gonna be a pain, but we make it do what it do. It's still crazy to believe that this car is supercharged, but lo and behold, let's go ahead and start with the process of swapping out the injectors. Pretty simple. Unclip them from the harness, so when we lift up on the fuel rail, nothing gets damaged or messed up or anything like that. But yeah, got two 6mm Allen bolt heads to remove from the to deattach the fuel rail from the intake galliffold, and then yeah, we just swap the injectors over. Pretty simple, bro. Pretty simple. Yeah. So like I stated, if I did state it, what we're going to be replacing our AUS 1000cc injectors with are these Alpha Injection 22cc injectors. obviously they're high impedance, which means that we're gonna be flowing and going and going. And the cool thing about Out the Injection Clinic is that they also include the flow sheet. Most companies nowadays don't include this. This flow sheet is the flow sheet of the injectors you purchased. It lets you know all the information you need to know that you are getting a solid, super solid set of injectors. So we can't thank them enough. Look at that, bro. Look at the time. Look at the time. 6:38 a.m. They was working for your boy. They was working for your boy. Alpha Injection is the latest company that I am now being supported by, and now you guys are being supported by. If you are looking for a set of injectors and you're trying to find a great discount code but nobody have, your boy got you. Use discount code Zosh at alphainjectionclinic.com. I'll have the link. Link will be down in the description box below. Go over there, tap in, get you a set of injectors, and let's, you know what I mean, be Alpha Injection bros. You hear me? We alpha boys. You know what I mean? We ain't beta boys. We alpha boys. We alpha men. You hear me? We ain't Beta, Sigma, Freud, Tupac. So that is what's going on today. We're going to get these new injectors installed, and they also included pigtails, so I can just plug them in without having to splice and dice anything. Thank God. So these right here basically will attach to the top hats of these, and then all I have to do from there is just insert my harness into the injectors. And then, so like I was saying, Alpha Injection hooked it up with a little adapter harness, so I don't have to run anything like this. It's just completely plug and play action with my Bosch EV style connectors on my harness itself. So we are ready to roll. Slap these injectors in with the clips, and then from there we shall work on the fuel pump and stuff. But let's get this done and then work our way towards the back, and then hit up Hobby, see if we can get a base map and get a first startup. And yeah, then we just gotta tune it. And I'm gonna go ahead and tune this car right away instead of waiting, because I need my car back on the road so I can make more content and flood the streets with some Supercharger content, because there's like nothing on the internet, on YouTube, of Supercharged Honda K-Swap, K-Series stuff. So
driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the holy wine. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years. Marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich. Italian leather, French suede, I mixed the fist sick.
Alright, so the Alpha Injection Clinic injectors are in, nice and secured. Look at that. Look at that, got the adapter harnesses on there. Ooh, we are good to go. Yeah, don't worry about this. I think I'm gonna actually put this back over here so I can have, I don't know, I think it'll look cleaner if this is over here. And yeah, pretty much gonna end up doing that later today. I just gotta get some Teflon paste or tape, but yeah, everything is good. Checking over the car while I have it like this, but everything seems fine. Everything is golden. We are good. Now, let's go ahead and get this fuel pump installed. And oh my God, bro. How am I gonna, this is gonna be a pain. A huge pain this is gonna be. What's happening? I'm now in the passenger seat of my car, and this is what I have to do. So I actually have hybrid racing hardware on my fuel pump cover. In case you guys have the screws in a strip or whatever, just full send with an M6 bolt and it'll be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna use my Milwaukee tool. Milwaukee's the best. They ain't sponsored. Milwaukee honestly has the best power tools in the game right now. Right here. If this looks unfamiliar for you, like if this looks weird to you, it's because this is a full JBtuned fuel line kit for my car. Yeah, I have links down below, and make sure to use discount code Zosh at JBtuned.com for fuel kits and clutch lines and all that stuff, my jig. So my return is a -6. I think they're both -6s. -6 or -8 I can't remember, but I gotta get this one off, and then this one off, and then the 10mm nuts, and then we're good. So bro. But look at my roll bar, wide roll bar, wide X bar. I'm clean, bro. I gotta do all this just to remove my fuel pump. Oh, this K shit ass, bruh. Oh, shit. Alright, let's do it. so we got the fuel pump out of the car. Look at that, Hybrid Racing 340 LPH fuel pump. And here I have my new 535 Walbro fuel pump. And this has no check valve, which means, I don't know, I forgot what it means. JB was telling me what it means, but it has no check valve. Basically, if I can recall what JB was saying, it doesn't keep pressure in the lines. You would have to reprime the car. Like, when you turn your car off with a 525 or a 450 or 325 or 330 or the hybrid or 255, there will constantly be fuel in the rail and everything because it has a check valve. So no check valve means that the fuel, once you turn the car off, the fuel just goes right back into the tank. But here it is, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. So I have an issue. I have to cut this and put an adapter fitting, or if they make an adapter, I don't know. Probably should have talked to JB about this. I should have did my research about this to begin with, but I knew this plug was on it. But since I don't have anything OEM, basically, well, this basically goes into like the 255s, the hybrid pump, any body style pump like this connector will go straight into. But for this, I'm gonna have to see what JB got for like an adapter or something, playboy, so I can get my fuel pump installed. You feel me? And this is why JB is the GOAT, son. Oh yeah. Shout out to JB, bro. Shout out to JB. So days have passed. It's the weekend right now. I've been spending it with my girlfriend. But we're back at it. Get the car ready to roll. One of my JB's placed the same from the last clip, and then we got a new hose on it, a thicker hose, because that previous hose, which I don't have, would not fit on that right there. So we got a bigger hose, we got the new plug that we need to attach that to that, and yeah, he just updated the harness with new stuff, new fittings and things of that nature, so we are good to go. So now we're gonna install the fuel pump, sock, all that stuff, good to go. Treat her like Kim Kardashian and make her film.
Where am I gonna film?
I gotta go through the back of my phone.
I'm gonna film you in the back?
Yeah, bro.
I'm not your bro. Hello.
Hey. Alright, so I'm putting my fuel pump in. In order for me to do that.
Man, babe, you look good.
Huh?
Huh? So you look good.
For real?
Mm-hmm. You look scrumptious.
For real? What you trying to do? This shit ain't working. Since I look good, I'm gonna act like it's working. Alright, fuel pump is now installed. It was a pain in the ass. I had to leave off the fuel sock cap thing. So if my fuel sock ever deattaches from the car, well, I'm gonna have to put it back in there. But for now, I'll show you guys that it does work. Everything is plugged back up. Alright. Priming. Everything is working. We're good to go. Now all I have to do right now is take my laptop, which is somewhere up here, load up my map, and then see if Hobby can send me a map. Then after that, wait for my spring to come in from my wastegate, my blow-off valve, and then we're off to tune the car again. So yep, got a fuel system upgrade. I'm gonna try to get you guys a first start here pretty soon, and yeah, we'll just see what happens. proper map from Hobby and I'll be straight. But it starts pretty lean. Switching it out. Okay, so fuel system complete. All I need now is a proper map from Hobby, and then we're off the tune world again. But I did order a new blow-off valve spring, because when you're supercharged, you have to order a specific spring for your blow-off valve so you don't mess up your Rotrex. And a huge thank you to James for reaching out to me on Facebook and letting me know, putting me on game, because I didn't know anything. This current PSI spring that I have in my blow-off valve now is a 6 PSI, but I need a 2 PSI. So if you're supercharged setup, get a 2 PSI blow-off valve. I'll make a video on it in case people want to know about the Craftworks Rotrex things, and you know what all great things you need in order to not blow your shit up and keep it running reliable and all that stuff. But thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, or unsubscribe if, I don't know, if you feel it, if you want to. If you did not like the video, then leave a dislike on the video. Your choice, pro-choice. Life is all about choices. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out Alpha Injection Clinic and JBtuned down below for all your fuel needs. And I'ma holla at y'all. Y'all be easy. I'm out. Peace.